Hi my lovely angels, I hope you all are doing good. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make peanut butter at home. Store-bought peanut butter has a lot of sugar and added fats, but if you make it at home, you can adjust the sugar as your own choice, or you can even skip sugar and add stevia instead. You can use extra oil as per your quantity to reduce the fat content. I personally love the taste of my own peanut butter than any other store bought peanut butter. And a lot of you all wanted to know what is my recipe and how I make it. So, finally, in this video, I'm sharing it with you all. For this recipe, you need 1 cup of peanuts. You can also remove the outer soft skin of peanuts to give it a smoother texture. But I like having the skin because it adds a lot of extra fiber to my peanut butter. You need stevia of half teaspoon, or even you can adjust the quantity as per your taste. You also need some quantity of oil to mix in all of the peanut butter to give it that smooth texture. I'm using 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. First, I take dry roasted peanuts in a mixer jar. Make sure that all of your containers don't have any water in them. I have dry roasted the peanuts without adding any oil. Then you turn your mixture on and grind it until it becomes a coarsely ground powder. We add our stevia and extra virgin olive oil to this powder. We mix it very well using a spoon and then turn the mixer on again. We have to mix it. After a while, we have to remove the lid, give it a mix with our spoon so that it doesn't stick to the walls, and then mix in again. Keep doing it for 2-3 times throughout. Our peanut butter is almost done. Let's give it a final mix and then blend it again. Our peanut butter is completely done. The oil has come out from all of the peanuts. Now it's time to transfer it into a clean container. You can keep it in the fridge for 10 to 15 days. I haven't kept it for more cause I finish it. Try and see. That's how I make my own peanut butter at home, fresh from peanuts. You can try out this recipe and let me know in the comments if you liked it. If you like this recipe and this video, then do share it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to my channel for more health related content. Be a part of my weight loss journey. Also, like on this video to see more such content from me. And once you're subscribed, do click on the bell button so that you are notified of all my future videos. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I'm very active there. I keep posting lots of Instagram stories about the workouts that I do, all that I eat every day. The link to my Instagram is in the bottom description bar, and I shall see you next time. Until then, bye.